morning, friends. So me and Kitty are hanging out. I'm going to start the clean out now, and I figured that I would just load it in a fast forward style fashion, and I'll voice over it and tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm doing the clean. Look at this cat. Why kitties? But I'm doing the clean out now, and I'm going to empty this room and the Florida room. I emptied out some of the space where Alana's staying. Again, this was supposed to be a short period of time thing, like 6 to 8 months, and you know, this is just what it is. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll voice over it and walk you through it that way, and then fast forward it. I feel like it'd be fun to see it transform from beginning to end. So that's what I'm doing now. I really don't know when or what furniture I'm gonna put in here because everything is literally shut down. I can order some online, which I probably will end up doing on Wayfair, but a lot of it I wanted to do on IKEA, so we'll figure it out as we go. But yeah, let's watch the transformation. All right, here I am in the Florida room, and basically what I'm doing is removing all the crap that's in there. It's still pretty loaded with furniture and stuff like that, but you know, baby steps. Taking everything out and making this shelf specifically for plants, and we move this TV upstairs, and I move that dresser to the opposite side, and currently waiting for furniture from IKEA so I can consolidate all of the makeup and put it in one place, right? That'll just make my life easier, and then get rid of what I'm not using. I mean, there's no point in it just sitting there. So that's what you're gonna see here is me and my mom going through all of the plants. I'm making sure to mop the floor, you know, clean up the area. And I also moved the Peloton in here as you saw. So that's what I'm doing here. Pie's about to eat. He just got out of his little ducky pool. Pie. Are you one? Are you one? Look, Grandma's feeding him pancit.
We're gonna let Ryland go back in his pool today. Yeah.
For his birthday, we are just hanging out by the pool at my parents' house. Cousin Rosemary, my brother's daughter. Doesn't she look like she could be my daughter? And this is Pies, and he really loves swimming in there too. But my brother bought this for him, and he absolutely loves it. So he's just playing in there. And then we're gonna do some cake. We all just ate. I had a hot dog and a hamburger and some chips. Your girl crushed it. You know, that quarantine 15.
Pretend, and I know you think it's worth every dollar. What is that? I don't like sweet. I only
He
like
doesn't. Go get it. What is it? Go ahead. Uh-oh. Oh. Go ahead. He's like, ah! What is it? Yeah. Yeah. He's like, all right, that's it.
All right, is that good?
He said, da, da. Is that so sweet? Rawr. Yummy.
Never eat baby food.
Go ahead. Want a piece of the cake?
We're all about to.
What's this?
Are you in a full bag?
This cake? Quarantine workouts. Ready, go. You guys saw Chris was doing squats with me, and that's how we were working out. I was squatting with the children, but being in quarantine, Chris could not deal with not working out, so we invested in this bad boy, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, we still gonna get these gains. But that's where we're working out, and then using the bike. We're clearly in my parents' garage, so yeah. Make another video showing you exactly how it's going to be laid out. I have a friend, I told you guys in that video, who is helping me, but see, all of the plants are moved. This is literally all going to go away. So is this little coffee. It's like, look how messy it is. I just wanted to show you that we moved all those plants into this Florida room and moved the Peloton in there. This is so much better in my opinion. All the plants are together, and this side, look at this, it's craziness. This is the office. And do you see how I have makeup in literally like 8 different bins? We ordered a bunch of stuff from IKEA, and all of this is gonna be in one, what is it, cabinet, dresser. I'll show you guys, you'll see. This area is gonna be so cute. It's gonna be an office setup. It's gonna be more inviting, more motivating, all of the above. So stay tuned. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to update you guys on the spaces before I make the next video, where I actually show you the layouts, the drawing, the actual furniture, the purpose for each furniture piece. And I did go over the budget, but I'll explain why in the next video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog style video. And again, I will update you on everything with the furniture for the 2 spaces in the next video. That video, I will show you why I chose it, how I chose it, and tips and tricks to do when you are decorating a space. So, all right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.